Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fundamentals so changes matter. Run a wired speed test at the router to know your ISP baseline because you need that number to judge improvement. Once done, update Ps5 system software and the router firmware so optimizations apply cleanly. If you must use Wi-Fi, place the router close and remove obstacles, metal, thick walls, and other radios. Make sure you switch the Ps5 to rest mode for background updates only after updates finish. Now you change settings that directly affect speed and latency. Assign a static IP to your Ps5 via the router's DHCP reservation, so NAT and port rules stay consistent. This prevents reassignments that break sessions. Once assigned, enable UPnP for automatic port handling or manually forward PSN ports if UPnP is unreliable. Then choose 5 GHz Wi-Fi for less congestion and pick a low-interference channel. This reduces packet loss and keeps ping stable during gameplay. Finish by validating changes and prioritizing traffic. Plug the Ps5 into Ethernet and run the console's connection test to confirm speed and NAT type. Wired results should be best. Then disable background downloads and set router quality of service to prioritize the Ps5 static IP when available. If you still see slow speeds or high packet loss, reboot the modem and router, clear the Ps5 network settings, and reconfigure. If problems persist, contact your ISP with the baseline speed test results for escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.